Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Lightning Web Components in Salesforce. So basically for that, you will need to have first of all the CLI of Salesforce, which is Salesforce CLI. You can search for it in Google. So here we will type CLI and basically you need to download the Salesforce CLI and you will need to have Visual Studio Code so you can interact it with it. And after that, you will need just to choose any version, either macOS, Linux, or whatever. And then you will need to go now to your Visual Studio Code. And after that, you will need to start creating your web component. So here I already have this component. I can just delete it. And basically, I will just delete this one. And now you will need, first of all, to create a project. And basically, you can use this command palette by typing fdx and here create a project. So basically, you will need just to create a project first, and then you will be able to start creating this project. After that, you will need to start creating uh, a Lightning web component. So here I will give it a name of my component, for example, component, and then I will choose the directory and it will be added here. So basically, it seems that uh, it didn't work. SFTX create here my comp and I will just choose here and basically this is my Lightning Web component and now you can start developing the view for your components for the HTML and also you can start adding more scripts for your component and of course this is the XML for the versioning, etc. So basically, this is how you can create a Lightning Web component for your Salesforce. And finally, make sure to connect your project with your Salesforce. So SFDX, and then search for to authorize with your org. So here, authorize an org, and basically you will need to add your domain URL, and then you will be able to authorize your Salesforce with your component. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.